Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a verified channel Discord like this. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then type securitybot.gg. So you should follow this or I'm going to show you how to do it. Let me open a new link tab here and then type securitybot.gg and it will take you directly to their homepage or their website. So all you have to do is to click this and then wait for a couple of seconds. Now what you're going to do is to look for your server right here, click continue, and then authorize the security bot to your Discord. You need to verify that you're 100% human and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now you can go to your server and set up this verification system right here. So what you're going to do first is you have to type slash verify. You have to click this verify enable, wait for a couple of seconds, and then type slash again. Look for verification setup channel. So slash verification, scroll down here and then look for setup channel, this one, and then enter. Wait for a couple of seconds and verification channel has been set up successfully. The next thing to do is you have to make sure that you can see this on this welcome to verification. Now let's go back. And then this time you have to type again slash. Look for verification type. So you can type your verification and then space type. Tap this one click verification, press enter. And as you can see, okay, so verification type has been sent to one-click verification. Again, type slash and then type verification and then scroll down here till you see the setup rule. So verification setup rule, enter, and you should see this one. So the next thing to do is you need to go to your server settings. You need to go to rules. Okay, tap roles, and then here you have to create a role. For example, this one's like verified M or verified members, or everything is up to you. So for this tutorial, I'm going to look for verified. Okay, and then you can set a color for this if you want, or I should say verification. Okay, set a color for this, and then permissions. Now click this or toggle on this view channels right here. Scroll down and toggle on this send messages. Now save changes. Go back to your server and then the next thing to do is to type slash verification and then this time you have to look for verification set verified and then tap role and then select that name verification and then press enter. And then that's it. You should see this notification successfully set verified to at verification. Okay, and then let's see. I'm going to invite my other Discord account, and then I'm going to open my other Discord account. I'm going to join this server, tap join, and then I should see that verify something here or verification button. Okay, wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. I need to go to that verification, tap verify, and as you can see, wait for a couple of seconds, and you have been verified successfully. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.